Welcome back to 50 Car. The 2025 Ford F-300 concept seamlessly blends the rugged charm of a traditional pickup with the elegance of modern innovation. Its two-tone white and black design gives it a commanding yet sophisticated presence, redefining what it means to drive a truck with personality and power. Exterior design. The F-300's muscular grille dominates the front, flanked by sleek LED headlights that radiate modernity. A sculpted hood, chrome accents, and 22-inch alloy wheels enhance its bold persona. The rear showcases a practical yet stylish tailgate with integrated lighting. Pros: stylish yet functional, iconic Ford design. Cons: may feel oversized for urban use. Interior and dashboard. Inside, the F-300 offers a luxurious cabin with premium leather seats and wood grain accents. The dashboard features a 12-inch touchscreen with advanced connectivity and traditional analog controls for nostalgic touch. Pros: comfortable, tech-savvy, driver-focused. Cons: traditional elements may not appeal to all. Performance. Under the hood, a 6.2L V8 engine delivers 450 horsepower, reaching 0 to 100 km/h in 6.8 seconds. Paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, it achieves a top speed of 190 km/h. Pros: strong acceleration, smooth ride. Cons: fuel efficiency may lag behind competitors. Technical features and comfort. Equipped with adaptive suspension, a towing capacity of 5,500 kilograms, and multiple drive modes, it excels in versatility. Its spacious cabin ensures long-haul comfort. Pros: excellent for heavy-duty tasks, luxurious ride. Cons: higher maintenance costs. Price and competitors. Starting at €60,000, its rivals include the Chevrolet Silverado 2500 and Ram 2500. Summary: perfect for traditionalists seeking power and style, the F-300 offers unmatched versatility and comfort. Ideal for families or off-road enthusiasts. Oil. Synthetic 5W30. Replace every 10,000 kilometers.